Every backcountry trip begins with a mix of nerves and excitement. This time, we were heading from Canoe Lake to Burnt Island Lake, one of Algonquin Park's classic beginner-friendly canoe routes. For my friend Tilak, it was his first real backcountry trip, so I wanted the route to be scenic, manageable, and still wild enough to give him a true taste of Ontario's canoe country. As we loaded the canoe and pushed away from shore, the busy world slowly faded behind us. Ahead were quiet lakes, short portages, a winding stream, and one night under the pines. A simple route. But sometimes, simple routes leave the deepest memories. From Joe Lake, we slipped into the narrow stream towards Baby Joe Lake. The trees leaned close, the water curled gently through the grasses, and every bend pulled us deeper into the park. Then Burnt Island Lake appeared. Wide water, big sky, pine-covered islands scattered across the horizon. After the smaller lakes and winding stream, it felt like the route had finally opened its heart. We settled on a campsite on the western side of the main lake, opposite the island, our quiet home for the night. This can be the dining space, and then there are multiple places where you can pitch a tent. This area is okay?
Yeah, I think this seems relatively small. Yeah, flat, right?
Flat, yeah.
So one can be done over here, and the other one will be in this part.
Right.
Chalo.
ఈ క్రాక్స్లో
A waxing gibbous moon rose above the pines, casting a soft silver glow across the campsite on Burnt Island Lake. At the end of a tough day of paddling and portaging, the aches from the demanding day slowly faded. I sat there listening to the haunting call of loons echo across the water, and everything felt still. The lake turned silver, the trees became shadows, the night felt lonely, beautiful, and alive. As darkness settled, the campfire came alive, flame against forest, warmth against the cool night air, a small circle of light beside a quiet northern lake. No rush, no noise, just fire, food, friendship, and the comfort of a long day well spent. The morning sky opened softly over the lake. First light filtered through the pines, touching the water with a quiet glow. After a night under moonlight and loons, the lake felt calm, renewed, and almost reluctant to let us go. The route that felt new on the way in now carried us back familiar and changed. Tired, grateful, lighter somehow. For a first Algonquin backcountry trip, Canoe Lake to Burnt Island Lake is a beautiful beginner-friendly route. Scenic, manageable, and just challenging enough to feel earned. For Tilak, it was his first taste of the backcountry. For me, it was a reminder that the best rewards are often simple. Tea by the lake, food over fire, moonlight on the pines, and the haunting call of loons across dark water. And that is why I keep coming back.